How to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is working. If not, turn on your mobile data. Next, you have to turn on your ring mode on iPhone. Make sure it is not in silent mode. And next, do not turn on disturb mode. Turn off the disturb mode so that the notification will show up on your iPhone. Next, you want to go ahead to the settings. Scroll down and tap on notification. Scroll down and now you want to go ahead and tap on WhatsApp. Turn on the toggle button for allow notifications. Turn on the toggle button for sounds and batches. Also, make sure you have put a tick mark on banner, notification center and lock screen. That way you'll be allowing notification from WhatsApp. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is you can go ahead and delete the app and reinstall it from App Store. For that, tap and hold on to the app, then tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and that way you'll be deleting WhatsApp. Now go ahead and reinstall it. Before deleting the app, you have to make sure if there is any new update. For that, open App Store, search for WhatsApp, and if the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it. So that is how you can fix the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.